with my May 2019 BOXYCHARM. Hey guys, so this is the May BOXYCHARM. This is the first month that I'm doing this on my channel. I used to get BOXYCHARM like a couple years ago, and then I stopped getting them, and I really don't know why I stopped getting them because I really like the box. So I've signed up again. This is not a sponsored video. I pay for this box, but I wanted to show you guys what I get and let you know how I like it. For those of you who may not know, BOXYCHARM is a monthly subscription beauty box. You get 4 to 5 full-size products, and it's $21 a month. And this is what it looks like inside, guys. This month it is the Making Waves, and I really like that beachy looking postcard. On the back it has everything that is in the box along with the retail price, and what do you know, I got variation 1, so that is really cool. There it is, variation 1 right down here. So let's go ahead and get in. I'm really excited to see that I got the variation 1, because right in the front, this is what that looks like, and I can tell you right now that this is the thing I was mostly looking forward to. This is the Gentle Bubble by Glam Glow. I absolutely love that box. Look at that. I have tried Glam Glow cleansers before, and I absolutely love them, so I could not wait to see if I received this one, and I am super excited. Look at this package, guys.
Wow, shiny.
Yeah, I love it, love it, love it. Sometimes though, Glam Glow tends to be a little like strong scented, but not this one.
What? Daily
Conditioning Cleanser, Gentle Bubble. Maybe because it's Gentle Bubble, it has no scent unless it's sealed, and that's why I'm not getting that. No, hold on. No, it's not sealed. No, there's no scent to it, which is nice. Yeah, look.
I can smell.
My son is here with me, so. So basically what you do is you apply to a wet face and gently massage evenly in a circular motion, rinse well, pat dry, and use daily as desired. So this is really good. I'm gonna just put a little tiny bit here just because it is.
What color is it?
It is clear. That's what that looks like, guys.
Wow.
And see, so it does, it like kind of like foams up. Let me see. Super nice. Oh my god, it's so soft. I love it.
Wow.
But yeah, it's really nice. Like I said, I've had Glam Glow cleansers before, and I absolutely love them, so I'm really excited about this one.
That's a big one.
This is, yeah, they're all full-size samples. Not full-size samples. They're all full-size products. And the Glam Glow, it says gentle, but make it bubbly. This daily conditioning gel cleanser gently but effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. And it says oat amino acids condition, while the vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract bubbles up to deepen, clean, and remove impurities. Soap, fragrance, and SLS, SLES free. All skin types approved. And the retail price for this is $28, guys. So believe it or not, this right here pays for the box itself, and I'm super excited about it. I can't wait to see what else is in it. Let's go on to the next product. Okay, guys. So next up in here is from Seat London, or Seat London, the Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. And that's what the packaging looks like. And this one is in Cupid. So I absolutely love this, guys. It is kind of like a purplish, goldish. Look at how beautiful that looks. Let's swatch it. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I love that. Look at that, guys.
Too glittery.
Oh my gosh, I love it. All right, so now I'm gonna let it dry and let's see how it reacts, but I absolutely love that. Look at that. Love it. And this, it says, your new Ciat London Eye Luster will help you create long-lasting shimmering eyeshadow looks. The metallic glittering liquid shadow can be swiped on for full coverage luster, blended out for sheer sparkle, or applied over any eyeshadow as a topper. Ooh! And it retails for $22. Okay, next up is this from Dose of Colors. I have this liquid matte lipstick in the color Truffle. Now, look at the box. The box looks a little like damaged. But let's see. I love the packaging of this, guys. Check that out. So that's what that looks like. So it is a doe foot applicator. And let's swatch this. Ooh. Look at that, guys. I'm sorry the lighting is so horrible here. But that's what that looks like. Absolutely great. Love it. Okay, let's see what else we got in the box. Oh, and I didn't tell you. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the Dose of Colors matte lipstick. It says your new Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick has a velvety high fashion matte finish which envelops lips in rich long wearing color. It applies as a creamy liquid, but after a few minutes it dries to an ultra comfortable matte finish. And this has a retail value of $18. Okay. Next up in this box is a Bodyography eyeliner pencil, and it says, this is, let's see, what's the name? Right there. Eyeliner. Have it upside down, guys. There we go. Bodyography eyeliner. And this is this vegan cruelty-free Bodyography eyeliner pencil is antioxidant rich, infused with coconut oil and vitamin E. The smooth yet long-wearing formula glides on effortlessly, delivering durable pigment that can frame, fill in, and define. Okay, and this has a retail value of $14. And this is in the color Emerald, and it's a wood pencil. That's a very pretty color. Absolutely love it. I've never, honestly, I don't tend to wear green on my eyes, but that's really pretty.
Kind of looks turquoise.
Yeah.
Turquoise, right?
Turquoise. Love it. I'm sorry about the lighting in here, guys. But yeah, so that's really nice. I like how smooth it went on. And I still have one more thing, and I'm super, super excited about this, guys. It is by Alamar Cosmetics. It's the Colorette Blush Trio. And this is what that looks like. And this is in the color Fair Light, which is great. There is a little mirror. And let's see the colors. Oh my God, these are great. They have like an orange hue to them, and they are right there, and they are in the color Castaway, Paraíso, and Scorcher. And let me swatch these for you. Oh my God, I love how silky they feel. And let me see. Gosh, guys, the lighting is so horrible in here. I am so sorry. But that's what that looks like. Let me see if I can... There. What do you guys think? So I really, really like them. I am especially loving this orange one. This is a bit lighter, and then this is like pinkish. I absolutely love them. So they're really, really silky soft. They do have like a little bit of shimmer to them, if you can see. They are great. I absolutely love them. And this says, the Alamar Colorette Blush Trio. It says, get your blush on with your new Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio. Formulated to glide effortlessly over your cheeks, this buttery smooth, highly pigmented, and completely vegan formula delivers a sun-kissed flush without the damage of the rays. And this has a retail price of $22. So overall, guys, I think for me, this is an amazing box. I'm really excited that I got the opportunity to get that first variation. I don't know how they pick it out. I know I've watched some unboxings, and some got the like an eyelash curler, but I am super happy with everything that I got, and like I absolutely love it, guys. I can't wait to keep getting this box. Like I said, I re-signed up after, I think it was like 2 years. I canceled my subscription 2 years ago, so I'm super excited to get it back. And yeah, so let's see how the June box is. I can't wait. What did you get? What variation did you get? Did you get the same things? Are we box twins? Or what other colors did you get? Let me know down in the comments. As always, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.